In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect or disconnect Stripe from Substack. If you publish on Substack and want to accept paid subscriptions, Stripe is the payment processor that makes payouts fast and secure. I'll walk you through the connection process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. Before you begin, have your tax details and bank account information ready. And make sure you can access any two-factor authentication you use on your Stripe account. Start by signing in to your Substack account from the top navigation bar. Click on Settings. This is where Substack keeps all your publication-level controls, including billing and payouts. Once you are in Settings, scroll down to the Payments section. You'll see an option to connect with Stripe. Go ahead and click that. A secure Stripe window will open. Here, you can either create a new Stripe account or log into an existing one. If you already use Stripe for another project, you can connect that existing account. Just be sure you are comfortable using it for your Substack payouts. When prompted, authorize Substack's access so the two services can communicate. This permission simply allows Substack to create subscriptions, process charges, and route funds to your Stripe account. You keep full control of your Stripe settings. Next, complete Stripe's onboarding. This is where you'll enter required tax information and business details, and link your bank account for payouts. If you are an individual creator, use your legal name and personal tax information as requested. If you represent a business, use your registered business details. Make sure names and addresses match your bank records to avoid verification delays. When you add your bank account, double-check the routing and account numbers and complete any identity verification prompts. If Stripe asks for additional documentation, provide clear, up-to-date files to speed approval. When everything is submitted, Stripe will route you back to Substack. You should now see your Stripe account status in Substack marked as connected. That confirmation means new paid subscriptions on your publication can be processed, and payouts will flow to the bank account you linked according to Stripe's schedule. If you ever need to update your tax details or bank information, return to your Stripe dashboard to make changes. And if in the future you want to manage or remove the connection, you can do that from the same payments area in Substack. Quick recap. Settings in Substack. Payments. Connect with Stripe, authorize access, finish onboarding, and look for the connected status. That's it, you are ready to accept paid subscriptions. Thanks for watching.